Today, we're diving into the world of Windows 11 and showing you how to change your default web browser. Let's get started. Windows 11 comes with the default web browser, Microsoft Edge, which offers a range of features and functionality. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, I've got you covered with 3 easy methods. Using Setting app. How to change the default browser in Settings. First, click on Windows Start button. Can you find the Settings app? Go ahead and click on it. Great job! Now, in the new window, within the Settings app, navigate to the Apps section. Find Default Apps and click on it. Here, start scrolling. You'll see a list of default apps, including the web browser. Can you find your preferred browser in the list? When you do, click on it. Fantastic! You've selected your preferred browser. Now you will see a list of different file types to open with your default browser. You can set your wish of file type to open with this default browser. Look for the option that says Set Default and give it a click. And remember, it's important to set HTML and HTML files to open with your chosen browser. If you are content with using Microsoft Edge and you want to open a specific set of file types with a different browser without changing your default browser, there is a way to do it. Again, in this method, go to the Settings and find Apps in left-hand side. Can you locate it? Give it a click. Here, click on Default Apps, and new window will open up. Within the Default Apps section, start scrolling and look for an option that says Related Settings. Can you locate it? Select Choose Defaults by file type. Here's where it gets interesting. You can choose specific file types to open with a different browser without changing your default. Take a moment to explore the options available here. Once you've identified the file types you want to associate, select and choose your preferred browser from the list provided. Alright, let's explore how to change the default web browser through file associations using a quick method with File Explorer. First, open File Explorer and find the file you want to set default browser. Right-click on it. Click on Open With, and then select Choose Another App from the menu. Select Preferred Browser and click on Always. Congratulations! You're all done.